Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School in Vista, California, and this is home of the Roadrunners. I've been here multiple times. This is my second visit for the 2023-2024 school year, and I'm standing outside their garden here on campus in front of one of these wooden wildflowers, but of course there's some beautiful ones right behind me here through this fence. And really, it kind of relates to the message of today. We talked about diversity, which is our differences on the outside and on the inside. But when I also made the comparison to wildflowers, right? They're unique, they're beautiful, different, just like all of us, right? If they were all the same, it'd be very boring, right? If they all looked exactly the same, then there's no like life, there's no culture, there's no beauty, it's just all kind of mundane. But the fact that all of us are unique and beautiful in our own way, we can grow from each other, learn from each other, right? We can understand, respect each other, kind of walk in each other's shoes and embrace diversity and grow. And if not, then we're kind of losing out on this whole other world around us, right? Our true education isn't just in the books and in the classrooms, but it's with the relationships that we form, the friendships, the people in our lives that all have a story. We all come from somewhere different. Some of us have the differences on the outside, right? Could be skin color, it could be our height, could be our weight, could be the way we dress, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak, right? It could be on the inside. Some of us are more talented at sports. Some of us are better at video games. Some of us are artists. Some of us are singers, dancers, and the list goes on. But all of us combined is what makes schools like this one, so amazing, right? And sometimes your closed heart can shield you from meeting amazing friends. So it's so important to keep our hearts open and to not only embrace diversity, but also to show that kindness. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, "Need human kindness." You'll see the peace sign inside the heart, where peace has to begin inside each of our hearts. And that there's two people inside too, right? Because it's not just about showing kindness to ourselves, we have to show it to others as well, right? And it's so important we do that too, because if you do say something kind or do something kind, it may not just be to the person or persons that you're doing it towards. It could be anybody that hears that kind word or sees that kind action. It might change their heart too in a positive way, right? And so hopefully the students really took that to heart today. I think they did. I mean, there was pin drop moments throughout the various heartfelt stories, the inspirational videos, the motivational music, whether it was the hand motion rap or the one with actual beats and lyrics, talking about diversity and how we, really need to respect everyone, no matter who they are, see them as a human being before anything else too. We always talk about that element and making sure that we see ourselves and others for this too. I talk about this in all my assemblies, but with the lines on our hands, we all have the letter M. And I trace mine again here. I have this one in each hand, and this M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. But we have to believe this, we have to buy into that. And once we do, we go out and help others around us, see how great they are too, right? By shining that light from our hearts. Showing that unconditional love without any conditions, which is not easy to do, but it is possible, right? And so hopefully, again, we can just keep growing, building on what we've talked about today. I'll be back again in 2024 in April to kind of, sort of capstone everything that we've been discussing so far this school year, and, just to kind of revisit some of the principles, of kindness and love, compassion, acceptance, inclusion. And so, again, just an honor always coming back here to the school I've been to the most now in Vista Unified, and love my Foothill Oak family. So have a great rest of 2023. We'll see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.